Welcome back, guys. Next Gen RC here, and today I have with me a CNC aluminum tow hitch from Amazon. You can pick this up for $8.49 with Prime. You get it the next day, and really good buy. Pretty sturdy, and it looks good. Doesn't get scratched up that easily. Looks pretty realistic, pretty scale, and it basically just came with the ball and the hitch, and it didn't come with screws, which I didn't like because I had to get my own screws, and now as you can see there's a little piece coming out of it, and I don't like that how that looks, and it's basically gonna damage my bumper in a few the more I run it, it's just gonna jab into it more, and then it's basically gonna come out. So it's I'm just gonna leave it there, but either way I don't like that, and it should come with its own screws, because I know they could make one that fits perfectly without damaging any parts of the TRX4. And a really good buy. Basically looks good, pretty scale. You can see looks just like a real car. And you can actually connect it to like your RC 4-wheel drive trailers, like the Mad Dog trailers, and that's what I'm basically gonna be using it for the Traxxas Spartan, and I will be making a video of that very soon. So stay tuned, guys, and that was it.